Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your detox routine with just water? Today, we're revealing 3 transformational detox water recipes that nutritionists often keep under wraps. First, let's dive into the lemon cucumber mint fusion. This powerhouse blend not only hydrates, but also flushes out toxins with its vitamin-rich profile. Simply add slices of lemon, cucumber, and a few mint leaves to your water. Next, we have the ginger-lime-cayenne combo. This fiery mix boosts metabolism and aids digestion. Slice fresh ginger, squeeze some lime, and sprinkle cayenne pepper for a spicy kick. Lastly, try the apple cinnamon delight. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, this duo supports heart health. Just slice an apple and add cinnamon sticks. Incorporate these waters into your daily routine and experience a gradual yet profound transformation. Stay refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to face the world.